Hey, good day, everybody. This is the Prepping Fool. Welcome back and welcome to the channel. I'd like to thank everybody for watching these videos. As you see behind me, I have not one, but two Ecoflow Delta Ultra Pros with one battery each. So combined, we'll have about 14,400 kilowatts of output and 12,000, I believe it's 12,200 or 400 kilowatt hours of battery power. So what I'm doing today is pulling apart our panels here. As you see, I have an EMP shield in the background. I'm going to be hooking up the Smart Home Panel 2 to our main circuits. I do have help with this, licensed electrician. So this is the project for today. And hopefully we'll get this up and running smoothly, and I'll give you guys some ideas on how the install went and what problems we may or may not run into, how to connect to the app. I already have the apps connected to the phone, and that went very, very smoothly. So if anybody has any comments or anything on the Ecoflows or the installs, please leave them below. Appreciate a nice thumbs up. That would be great. And I'll get back to you guys with an update once we're finished here. This is the Prepping Fool, over and out.